Hello everyone, welcome to E-Group channel. Today we're going to give you a first look of the newly released DJI Enterprise drone, Matrice 400. On my right side is a previous generation Matrice 350 and on my left side is a brand new Matrice 400. Okay, without further ado, let's have a look at the product itself. So over here, this is pretty much what you get when you purchase the M400. So we've got the drone in the middle section here. We've got the new controller, which is RC+2 Enterprise Enhanced. We've got the landing gear on the lid of the box, and we've got a couple of accessories like the strap. We have the spare propellers in the hidden compartment, and we've got a couple of room if you're going to the site. You can put your spare batteries in here. You can put your payloads over here if you want. All right, now we're gonna take the drone out. Okay, so we've got the drone here. It comes with two propeller protector. So you need to first take these off. This has got one protector of the LiDAR module on the top, and the last, a protector for the battery station. So you need to first put the propeller in this position and unfold these two arms at the same time. So this M400 unfolded is about 980 by 760 by 480. It's about 15% bigger than the previous M350. So with its bigger size, the M400 also comes with a much higher payload capacity compared to its predecessor. M350 only has 2.7 kilo. This M400 has up to 6 kilogram. This is not the first time DJI has released a drone that has 6 kilograms. The previous model called Matrice 600 Pro also comes with 6 kilo, but over time it's got faded out. This time, finally, DJI released another drone with this payload capacity. It comes very handy for a lot of continuous mission. Now, with heavier payload capacity, it also comes with more ports as well. So in the front of the drone, there are 4 E ports over here. There is a USB Type-C ports at the side of the drone, and there are 2 4G dongle ports on the drone as well. Now, you probably have noticed there is the one big battery here. This is the new battery for Matrice 400. Unlike its M350 last generation, which has 2 hot swap battery, the Matrice 400 only has 1. The model is TB100, comes with 400 charging cycles and a capacity of 977 watt hours. This is more than 3 times bigger than the TB65. So with this one battery system, when the drone flying with a payload H30T, it gives you maximum 15.9 minutes. And also its maximum speed is also 8% faster than M350, which is 25 meters per second. The battery, although it's one, it still supports hot swapping as long as you do it within 45 seconds. This is very critical for a lot of continuous missions like mapping or survey, so you don't have to re-warm up the payload. So all of these provides a huge difference in improving the efficiency in long-term mission or multiple missions. Next, I'm gonna introduce some of the new features comes with this M400. So the M400 comes with 04 enterprise transmission with sub 2G frequency, and that allows 40 kilometers on the FCC standards. And also, the drone is able to be used as a relay to further extend its operation range. And also something about the safety is you can see there is a big dome on top of the drone that is its LiDAR and the millimeter wave radar. And surrounding the drone, there is number of the camera which are upgraded to full color night vision. So all these allows the drone to provide a power line grade avoidance system. So if you can even use this drone more safely to do inspection for power line, for example. All right, let's have a look at the controller now. So this is RC Plus to Enterprise Enhanced. I like the word enhanced. And I've also got a last generation RC Plus here. There are a couple of differences. First one is this one has a brighter screen. It's got a brightness of 1400, and the last generation only got 1200 nits. So it's easier to use outdoors. Also, this one has a longer battery time with the spare battery. So last generation, it gives you 6 hours, and this one with this battery, which comes with controller, gives you 7 hours of operation time. And last is you can see there is a different thing here. This is a sub 2G antenna. That's what allows the system can provide a much longer operation range. All right, so the next accessory is the smart battery station. So as you can see here, I've got 3 charging spot over here. So this battery station has 2 modes, fast charging mode and normal charging mode. Under fast charging mode, it will fully charge one battery within 45 minutes. That is 25% faster than the last generation with M350. So in total, you can have 3 batteries here. It's same like the M350. You got that's 6 batteries. So you still have 3 groups. You can have 1 battery in the drone and 1 spare battery in the box. You can have total 5 groups of battery to take to the site when you're on the job. Okay, so this is pretty much everything about the M400. Next, we will take the drone to the field and we'll do some tests to show you all the cool features. So stay in tune. We'll be back soon.